Say you're having a great conversation with your passenger and all of a sudden you glance down at the navigation and realize that you just missed their exit. What do? So for me, luckily, it's only happened a couple of times in the thousands of rides that I've given, but it does happen a lot out there. The first time it happened to me, I recall it was within my first year of driving rideshare, and as it was within my first year, I was still getting used to everything that's involved with driving rideshare, the balancing act of being friendly with the passenger, as well as paying attention to the navigation. I remember the specific exit that I missed was an important one, and it ended up extending the ride a couple miles. When I realized that I missed the exit, I was in the midst of a conversation with the passenger. I just apologized. I was kind of embarrassed. I told them, I'm really sorry I missed your exit. And back then, riders' fares were based on actual time and distance. There was no upfront pricing. So the actual time and distance that we traveled was what they paid for. So if there was extra mileage, they would have to pay for that. So here's how I handled it. Since the mistake was mine and the passenger shouldn't have to pay for my mistake, I told them that I would end the ride a few miles in a few minutes early so that it would be a similar fare to what it had been had I actually made the exit. Alright, so that's how I handled it back then when it was actual time and distance that the passenger paid for, but how should you handle it nowadays? Today there's upfront pricing, so the passenger is given an upfront price before the ride happens, and if that route is not a whole lot different than the route that the upfront price is based on, then the passenger will pay that price. So if, say, you miss an exit and you go maybe a mile or a couple miles out of the way, chances are the passenger will still pay that same upfront price. But if you do miss an exit or miss a turn, you're going to want to acknowledge it. Don't pretend like it didn't happen. Passengers will appreciate the honesty. Just let them know that, yes, I missed your exit, but chances are you will pay the same price that you were quoted up front. Now, if you miss an exit and it takes you, 4, 5, 6 miles out of the way, you're going to want to let the passenger know, obviously you're going to empathize with the passenger, say, I'm really sorry, I missed your exit. Then there's an official way to kind of handle it. So after the ride's over, and you'll want to relay this information to the passenger, just say, after the ride's over, I'm going to request a fare review. Once the ride's over, you'll immediately want to go offline. Then you'll go to the last ride. Then in the top right, you'll select that question mark. Then you'll select trip distance was incorrect. Then you'll select no, they need to be changed. And from here, you'll just enter the details that you need to enter. But overall, if you do miss a passenger's turn or exit, it's really not a big deal and can be handled easily, but you don't want it to happen too often, so be sure to pay close attention to navigation. And if you are easily distracted, a good solution is like a Bluetooth earpiece. You can put a Bluetooth earpiece in your ear and have voice navigation enabled within your nav app. That way you're the only one hearing it and a passenger doesn't have to hear it blaring over your radio. I know passengers don't like to hear that navigation. Here's the Bluetooth earpiece I use, and we'll leave our Amazon affiliate link in the description. But has this ever happened to you, and what have you done? Have you ever missed more than one exit in one ride? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe and drive safe. Thanks.